In today's world, YouTube has become a lifesaver for learning, especially during exams. Educational videos are our go-to, right? But let me guess, the real struggle begins 2 days before the exam. You're trying to revise and realize, ugh, I can't rewatch all these videos. So, what do? You take handwritten notes, or maybe manually screenshot the video, paste it in a Word document, and jot down key points. Sound familiar? But here's the problem. For just a 10-minute video, this whole process can take more than 20 minutes. Multiply that by all the videos you watch, and you're spending hours just organizing your notes. Well, not anymore. Let me introduce you to your new best friend, YouTube Study Kit, the ultimate revision tool for exams. Here's how it works. While you're watching a video, you can take timestamp screenshots without missing a second. Once you're done learning, just download a special PDF. But wait, here's the cool part. The snapshots in the PDF aren't just pictures. Click on any of them and boom! It takes you right back to the exact moment in the YouTube video where you took the screenshot. How awesome is that? Efficient, right? But you might be thinking, what about all the clutter? If I watch a lot of videos, I'll end up with a million PDFs. Don't worry, we got you covered. With our Playlist Notes feature, you can combine all your notes from an entire playlist into one neat PDF. That's right, no more clutter, just one organized document per subject. Problem solved. But hey, let's talk about another big exam struggle. You're trying to find a video that matches exactly what your lecturer taught. You waste time watching multiple videos, only to realize they're not helpful. Frustrating, isn't it? And when you finally find the right video, there's another issue. You get stuck on a concept. So, what do? Open ChatGPT to ask for help. But first, you have to explain the entire context of the video. More wasted time. Well, guess what? We've solved that too. With the YouTube Study Kit, just click the Expand button in the extension, and you'll enter a special AI-powered space. Here, you can ask any question about the video, read a summarized version of the content. Our Chrome built-in AI responds in an easy-to-understand way using headings, subheadings, and bullet points. And here's the best part. It includes timestamps in the response. Click on a timestamp, and the YouTube player will jump right to the exact moment the topic is explained. No more guessing, no more frustration, just quick, precise understanding. And here's something even more amazing. No language barrier can stop you from learning. Our AI model works in multiple regional languages. You can ask your question in any language and choose the language for your response. So, no matter where you're from, learning has never been easier. So, whether it's organizing your notes, revising efficiently, or clearing doubts, the YouTube Study Kit has got your back. Why waste time when you can revise smarter? Try it today and ace your exams with confidence. Let's make studying simple, quick, and effective. Click the link below to download the extension, and let's get started.